Welcome back to Skills Academy. In this tutorial, we'll dive into how to back up WhatsApp to Google Drive. Actually, it is fairly easy to back up WhatsApp to Google Drive on iPhone or Android. If you don't know how to back up WhatsApp to Google Drive on iPhone or Android, please watch on to learn the detailed steps of backing up WhatsApp to Google Drive with ease. If you're using the app on an Android phone, you can easily save your WhatsApp data to Google Drive. You can choose to manually back up your chats to Google Drive at any time, or set up Google Backups on your Android phone to back up your WhatsApp data regularly. Open WhatsApp. Tap More Options. Settings. Chats. Chat Backup. Backup. Select a backup frequency other than never. Select the Google account you'd like to back up your data to. If you don't have a Google account connected, tap Add Account when prompted and enter your login credentials. Tap Backup over to choose the network you want to use for backup. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.